Question number 7. Akash brought vegetables weighing 10 kilogram. Out of this, 3 kilogram 500 gram is onions, 2 kilogram 75 gram is tomatoes and the rest is potatoes. What is the weight of the potatoes? Okay, so Akash is buying total vegetables weighing 10 kilogram. Okay, from that 10 kilogram, 3 kilogram 500 gram is onion and 2 kilogram 75 gram is tomato. Okay, and the rest is potatoes. So we have to find the weight of potatoes. So how can we find? First we have to add the weight of onion and the weight of tomatoes. Okay, so both we have to add. Okay, and that sum we have to subtract that from 10 kilogram. Totally he brought 10 kilogram. Okay, from that 10 kilogram certain weight is for onions and certain weight is for tomatoes. Okay, we have to find the remaining, rest is potatoes. So we have to find the weight of potatoes. Okay, for that first we have to add the weight of onion and tomatoes. Okay, and then from the total weight we have to subtract them. Clear, children? Here we have to perform addition as well as subtraction. Is the question clear? Solution for 7th one. Here the total weight of vegetables is given. Okay, so the total weight is 10 kg. From that 10 kg the weight of onion is this much. The weight of tomato is also given and they are saying the rest is potato. Okay, so how can we find the weight of potato now? First we have to add these two. Okay, and adding these two we have to we'll get one answer. That weight we have to subtract from the total weight in order to get the weight of potatoes. Okay, now weight of onions and tomatoes we are adding here. Okay, now it is in kilogram and gram. So gram should be converted to kilogram. Okay, so 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. So 1 gram will be equal to 1 divided by 1000 kilogram. Okay, so we have 500 gram. So 500 gram is equal to 500 divided by 1000. Okay, so we have 3 zeros. So place a decimal point before 3 numbers. So 0.500 kilogram. Okay, same way 75 gram also we have to write in kilogram. So it is equal to 75 divided by 1000. Okay, so numerator only 2 numbers but 3 zeros are there. So decimal point before 3 numbers. So add a 0. Okay, so we have 0.075 kilogram. Clear, children? Now we have to put here. Okay, so 3 kilogram. Okay, so 3 kilogram plus 0.500 kilogram plus 2 kilogram plus 0.075 kilogram. Okay, now we have to add these two. Okay, so here when you are adding, okay, I'll show you 3 and 0.500. Okay, so here you don't have any numbers. So we can put decimal point and we can add 3 zeros. Okay, now adding them, 0 plus 0 is 0. Again 0 plus 0 will be 0. 0 plus 5 is 5. 3 plus 0 is 3. So 3.500. Okay, so this one can be written as 3.500. Okay, so 3.500 kilogram. Okay, now plus same way this directly can I write 2.075 kilogram. Okay, now we have to add both. Okay, so adding both we get 3.500 and 2.075. Okay, so adding 0 plus 5 is 5, 0 plus 7 is 7, again 5 plus 0 is 5, again 3 plus 2 is 5. So decimal point before 3 numbers. Okay, so 5.575 kilogram. Okay, this is the total weight of onion and tomato. Okay, now from the total weight, 10 kilogram of vegetables we have. From that total, we have to subtract this to get the weight of potatoes. Okay, now listen. Weight of potatoes. Okay, so weight of potatoes will be equal to 10 kg. Okay, minus 5.575 kg. Yes or no? So we have to subtract both. Okay, so from 10 we have to subtract 5 point. So 5 is in ones place. Here in 10 the ones place is this 0. Yes or no? So place the right 5 below that 0. Okay, so 5.575. Okay, you don't have any numbers, so you have to add zeros. So keep decimal point, add 3 zeros. Okay, now subtract them. Okay, now from 0 you can't subtract 5. So from this 0 we have to regroup. From this 0 also we can't regroup. So go to the next number. There also you have 0. Again next place also 0. So from this 1 we have to regroup. So this 1 becomes 0. Okay, and this becomes 9. This also becomes 9. This also becomes 9, and this 0 becomes 10. Okay children, so now 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 7 is 2. 9 minus 5 is 4. Again 9 minus 5 is 4. Okay, now the decimal point is before 3 numbers. So place decimal point before 3 numbers. So we have 4.425 kilogram. Okay, this is the weight of potatoes. Clear children?